Have you ever wondered why planets orbit the sun? Welcome to the grandeur of our solar system, a bustling neighborhood of celestial bodies, each moving in its own unique dance. The key players here are the sun at the center, and the planets, each tracing a specific pathway or orbit around it. From Mercury, the innermost planet, to Neptune, the outermost one, they all follow this celestial choreography. But why do planets follow this specific path around the sun? Let's find out. The answer lies in a force we all experience every day: gravity. Now, gravity is a bit like that friend who insists on a hug every time they see you. It's always pulling things together. But instead of humans, gravity works between any two particles of matter. Imagine you're holding an apple. You let it go and it falls. That's gravity in action. It's a force that attracts two bodies towards each other. The more massive the object is, the stronger its gravity. That's why when you jump, you come back down instead of floating off into the sky. Earth, being more massive than you, pulls you back down. Now let's think bigger, much bigger. Let's think about the sun. The sun is the most massive object in our solar system, over 1 million times more massive than Earth, so it has a very strong gravitational pull. This gravity reaches out across the void of space and grabs hold of everything in the solar system, including the planets. The planets are constantly falling towards the sun because of its gravity, but here's the catch. They're also moving sideways at the same time. This combination of falling and moving sideways keeps them in their orbits. It's like they're always falling towards the sun but never quite getting there. So in essence, the sun's gravity keeps the planets in their tracks, but why don't they just fall into the sun then? This is where the concept of velocity comes into play. Velocity is more than just speed. It's speed in a certain direction. Think of it as the way you'd throw a ball. You decide how hard to throw it, that's the speed, and in which direction to throw it, which is, well, the direction. Now, imagine our planets as balls thrown in space. They are moving at a certain speed and in a certain direction. But there's a catch. There's the sun exerting its gravitational pull on these planets. It's like an invisible string tugging the planets towards it. But here's the interesting part. The planets are moving fast enough and in such a direction that they don't fall straight into the sun. Instead, they get pulled into a curved path. This curve is what we call an orbit. The planets are essentially falling towards the sun, but their forward velocity causes them to miss it again and again, creating this beautiful orbital dance we see in our solar system. So while the sun's gravity is trying to pull the planets in, their velocity is pushing them forward, creating a curved path around the sun. It's a bit like spinning a ball on a string around your head. The string pulls the ball in, but its speed keeps it circling around you. So it's this delicate balance between the sun's gravitational pull and the planet's velocity that keeps the planets orbiting the sun rather than falling into it. To sum up, why do planets orbit the sun? It's a delicate cosmic ballet where the sun's gravity pulls planets towards it, while their velocity propels them forward. This intricate dance between attraction and momentum keeps our planets on their paths, resulting in the orbits we observe. A splendid balance indeed. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible cosmic dance that keeps our solar system in motion. Isn't our universe fascinating? Keep delving into its wonders, and thank you for being with us today. Your curiosity fuels our content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep wondering, keep learning.